Every time you open up the PowerPoint program, it's going to start you off with a blank presentation. That includes one slide. Let me show you. Come up here, double click on the shortcut, opens up the program, and the first slide here is called the title slide. And you can see that you got a place where you can click to add your title and also the subtitle. I mean, it's a good idea that anytime you begin a presentation, the first slide that you show the audience is, well, what the presentation's about. So you can type in the title here, like, let's say I'm doing a presentation on essential oils. And then for the subtitle, type in like the benefits of using essential oils. And then add other slides like slide 2, what are essential oils, and so on. In any case, the purpose of the training video is that I want to show you how you can go ahead and create a blank presentation, which is what we just did here. I mean, just basically open up the PowerPoint program, but if you already have it open, and let's say that you accidentally or you closed out of the blank presentation here, like going File, down to Close, the program's still open, but you don't have the blank presentation, so you can, start working on a presentation here. So to go ahead and start with a blank presentation from this point, click on File, go down to New, and there it is, blank presentation. By default, it's selected. All you have to do is go ahead and leave it there and click Create, or just double click on it. There we go. Gives us the first slide, the title slide. Or of course, you can go ahead and close out of the entire program, go to the desktop, double click on the shortcut, and it also brings it up as well. The blank presentation with the first slide being the title slide. You also have sample templates, so if you're in a hurry and you don't want to go through, well, what I'm going to show you later on, how to go ahead and format these slides, add color to it, images, object shapes, but you want that already done for you, or you want to view some sample templates to see which one would work best for you because you're in a hurry, you just want to go ahead and use that template and add your own text to it, then come up here, click on the File tab, go down to New, and well, up above they have sample templates. They even have more available from Office.com down below, which you'd have to download. But if you want to come up here and click on Sample Templates, well, you got quite a few here, like Introducing PowerPoint 2010. Well, what if I go ahead and use that one, but replace that because I like the template, the layout of it, with Essential Oils. So I can just go ahead and double click on it, give it a second, opens up, and okay, my PowerPoint presentation isn't on Introducing PowerPoint 2010, but I can come in here, click and select, and say it's Introducing. You see, just go ahead and replace the text with your own text. And then if you don't like some of the images or backgrounds, I'll show you later on how you can manipulate those, change them or delete them, remove them. In any case, you get the idea. When you're done, then be sure to save your work. As we learned in an earlier training video, you can see up in the title bar, it's Presentation 3. It's just a generic name until you actually save it and give it a name that you would like to save it as. So come up here and click on Save. Brings up the Save As window so it can ask us the two questions. First, where do you want to save it on your computer? I can come over here in the navigation pane, say I want to save it to my desktop, but over here in the desktop view window on my desktop, I've got the exercises folder. I can double click to open that up and say I want to save it in there. The second question is, what name do you want to give it? So down here, instead of Introducing, I can call it, go ahead and click Save. You can see it up here in the title bar. It's been changed. It's now saved in the exercises folder on my desktop. And then I can, of course, close out of here, open it back up, work on it. And in fact, if I go ahead and select File to close, and I've got this other presentation window up, File to close, and I want to reopen the Essential Oils number 3 presentation. If it's one of my most recent presentations that I've been working on, when I have the program open, just click on the File tab, go down to Recent. Well, by default, because nothing else is open, it goes right to it. You can see that that was one of the most recent programs that I had open out of quite a few here. Click on it, pulls it right up. If you click on it and it doesn't pull it up, that means you probably or somebody else removed it out of the folder that you saved it in, because now it can't find it in that folder, okay? So then you'll have to actually scour your computer to find where it's at, okay?